So we're doing a happy dance. You know why? Tammy Goodwin here with the Luxury Living International team. I am super excited. I'm gonna do my happy dance. Yeah. This kind of dance I do when I'm eating. It's good and I'm like, So we're doing a happy dance. You know why? Because we are on our way to the closing table. You know what my favorite word to say, my favorite words to say to my seller clients? Pack your bags. Pack your bags. Pack your bags. You hear me? You hear what it said? I said pack your bags. I'm sorry. Did I not say it loud enough? Pack your bags. I need you to pack your bags and get ready to go. Tell your children, tell your husband, tell your friends, tell your mama, your sister, everybody. We need help packing because we are packing our bags. Because Tammy and Erica said, pack your bags because it's time to go. So be looking for the offers to come and be ready to see us at the closing table.